Are you looking for the best sublimation printer for beginners? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Epson Workforce 7710 for wide and borderless printing. Our number 1 pick is the Workforce WF7710, an excellent model introduced by Epson. This printer is an ideal choice for starters to begin sublimating with the least cost. The Epson WF7710 and WF7720 both printers seem identical and share many similar features, but Epson model WF7710 has only one tray with the capacity to contain up to 250 sheets. For the fan of die sublimation, one may fall in love with this printer instantly, mainly for its perfect body suited to accomplish all types of sublimation work at an affordable price. In particular, it supports a large variety of paper media. So you don't need to confine yourselves to specific printing sizes since your printer can manage them. Moreover, when you require a printer that accepts many intermediate materials, this printer will be the best choice. However, the reason behind WF7710 as the best sublimation printer for beginners is its high-density print chip, with a capacity of 40 million dots a second that gives outstanding color accuracy at incredible speed. Now you can expect highly professional and quality print only with Epson WF7710. What else? This printer will never waste your paper and allows dual-side automated printing, making it convenient to handle many jobs in time. Number 2. Epson ECOTANK ET4760 all-in-one cartridge-free SuperTank sublimation printer. Epson ECOTANK ET4760, another model from Epson, comes next on our list. ET4760 is a decent printer overall, but it is for you, especially if you dislike refilling the printer ink regularly. Rather than using standard ink cartridges, ET4760 features 4 separate ink tanks, which you replenish quickly once empty. Moreover, the cost per printout of the Epson ET4760 is relatively cheap. The ink bottles are not too costly. Even if you print extremely extensively, the running cost will still be below. With its high-speed printing, you might be able to print considerable chunks in minimal time. Its compact design not only looks elegant and appealing but also is suitable for commercial purposes. It does come up with a sheet-fed automated document feeder, ADF, flatbed and plate scanner to scan multiple documents at once but does not scan duplex, which means you can only scan one side. It also features integrated fax. Moreover, wireless printing and many more fascinating features that might improve print quality and efficiency are included in this sublimation printer. If we talk about its drawback, ET4760 isn't the most significant thing to print while printing papers and photographs, too. It seldom produces colors correctly. Number 3. Epson HD XP 15000 Sublimation Printer. An additional Epson model on our list, Epson XP 15000, is a professional photographer's dream. With its large frame capacity, it prints ultra-high resolution, 5760 by 1440, borderless photographs. The colors it generates are incredibly realistic, making this printer an excellent choice for fabric and photograph printing. This Epson XP 15000 high-grade model printer features precision core technology that means a high-density print chip provides you fantastic print precision by creating about 40 million accurate dots per second at incredible speed. Moreover, the XP 15000 is regarded as the best color and monochrome pages printer produced with the same speed. Unlike typical printers with multiple cables for connectivity, Epson 15000 is a standard model with a simple wireless print technology to improve printing performance and efficiency. We recommend this cheap sublimation printer for novices and beginners, as it is not perfect for handling much printing work. Moreover, rather than a touchscreen, the interface features push buttons that might be strange for you. Number 4. Kodak Dock PD450 Portable Sublimation Printer. Next in our list of reviews is Kodak Dock PD450. Whenever we think of making photos and films, the first brand that comes to our mind is Kodak, which has a long-lasting history of producing outstanding films, photographs, and imaging hardware. Fortunately, Kodak produced a high-quality compact printer that functions phenomenally in a lot of scenarios and circumstances. The Kodak PD450 may be easy to set up for printing. Beginners, especially teenagers and young people, can get tremendous value, mainly by having a portable picture during gatherings and parties. It's fast and effortless to print from your smartphone or tablet using Kodak Photo Printer app. Within the application, the user has the opportunity to edit pictures, apply filters as well. You can even use wacky stickers, emojis, or text bubbles to edit or tweak the photographs you desire. The Kodak Dock PD450 features a robust design that is stronger than we imagined. It will not slip away easily due to its extra weight from a desk or platform. This compact picture printer is only available in 4x6 prints but may be a significant hit at a party and an ideal alternative to printing at an online or local store. Number 5. Epson ECOTANK ET3760 Sublimation Printer. Epson ECOTANK ET3760 is another option that we have included in our list of best sublimation printer for beginners, featuring simplicity and eco-friendliness. The ET3760 wireless all-in-one printer is a novel printing solution. This Epson model comes up with a super tank ink system that eliminates the hassle of buying new ink cartridges. Additionally, with 3 years of printing on each tank, you will enjoy peace of mind. Additionally, with Epson ET3760, you won't have to replace paper as often with its 150 sheets of paper, allowing you to print on while minimizing paper waste. Somehow, the printing speed of the ET3760 is slower than those of many other sublimation printers. According to Epson, the monochrome speed is 15 ppm and the color speed is 8 ppm, but it's still good for beginners as far as performance is concerned. Thanks to its voice-activated printing, you can print a wide range of projects and documents efficiently. Plus, a 2-year limited warranty with product registration provides the best possible protection.